going to show you how to hide cell values. This is a really fun, interesting little thing to do to your sheets based on a lot of different needs and a lot of different ones. Sometimes we're actually hiding errors. Sometimes we're hiding data based on the output of another cell. But I want to just show you here we add a checkbox, true or false, and we want to just show notes or hide notes. So what we can do is wrap notes around equals and put a quotes around them and say if A2 equals true. Now if that value is true, we're going to show the notes, and if it's false, we're going to show nothing. So once we check the box, you see the notes, and if we do not check the box, the notes do not appear. And that's really funny and funky, right, with notes, but maybe we want to show the notes until it's done, and if it's done, we don't want notes. We don't want to know anything about this. So let's do it the other way. So if C2 is equal to done, then if that's true, we want nothing. So I'll put nothing between these two commas. And if it was in progress, there, we have our notes. But once it's done, we have no notes, right? Because we don't really need to see those notes if everything's done here, right? Maybe. That's just a little fun example of this hiding cell values based on the criteria of some other cell. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.